Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple Twitter accounts into my story. Okay, so here this is my story I currently using to manage multiple Twitter account and use multiple account to do automation. So to add the Twitter account into this story, first you need to choose account management function. After that, you will create a category and you can enter any name of category that you want. After having a category, I will choose add account and add my account in here, and we will select the category and select the format. Okay, after having the format, I will choose add in here to add account in the story. After that, I will select all this account and click and choose click login. You will see the summary will also open browser like this, and will also log in multiple Twitter accounts in the same time. Okay, so basically I just show you how to add multiple Twitter account into my story. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this story or more information, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more videos about automation software.